everyone, how are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we are opening up the November beach box. So this is what the box looks like. It says the monthly subscription box inspired by the sea. I've gotten this box a few times now and I absolutely love it. So the beach box is available on Cratejoy. It is $34.99 a month. When I was just checking out their website, just like double check everything, there is a little discount code, it looks like. It says use code BEACH10 for a special discount. I'm guessing it's like 10% off, but it says it right on the Cratejoy website, but I will leave the link and that code down below if you're interested in subscribing. So this box is super cute. Like each month they have a different beach as their theme. So like around the world, it'll focus on that beach and have items like surrounding that theme. So it'll have like coastal accessories, decor, like bath and body stuff, some sweet treats I think are included every single month. There's just a bunch of cute stuff. So if you love the beach, you love like that coastal decor vibe, I think you definitely will like this. But I can't wait to see what's inside the November box, so let's get started. When I open up the box, this is what I see. So it says on here, welcome to Cape May, New Jersey, a beautifully relaxing seaside city featuring stunning Victorian style cottages for an enjoyable getaway. Cool. And then on the back it says, list all the items. It says the beach box November 2019, learn more about your box, and then list everything there. And then all the items are wrapped up really nicely. There's a little sticker that says enjoy, so let's get this open and get started. The first thing I see that's right on top, this looks so cute. It's like I think this is a handbag, yeah. It's like this beautiful gold color. Oh my God, this is really pretty. Isn't it? So this is like a crossbody bag it looks like, in this gold color. There's a zipper on top. This is by Hey Beautiful, it looks like. And it's just open in there. Oh, let me get open all the way. So yeah, just like an open bag. This is super cute. I love that design. I don't think I have any bags this color. Nice. So let's see what it says about this. It says crossbody purse, the perfect purse to hold all your essentials all season long. It features laser cutouts that mimic the beautiful woodwork found on the Cape May Victorian cottages. Cool. I think it's such a pretty cutout design. Awesome. So first item, really like that. Next up, it looks like we have a necklace. This is by Trendy Jewels. Get it out. Oh my God, this is so cute. This totally fits the box. So there's like an anchor on there. What else do we have? We have like the little, why can't I think of the word right now? The wheel or steering wheel, whatever. There's like some little crystals, like a life preserver, more anchors. This is so cute. I think I love when boxes stay totally on theme. And this is pretty long too, but you can like wrap it around, I bet, if you wanted to make it shorter. Like you could wear it like this too. It's super cute. It says, anchor necklace. Complete your nautical outfit with this cute and simplistic anchor station necklace. This is so cute. I like this. You can see so many people I know here in Florida wearing that. And then we have our little treats. So we've gotten these before. These are so cute. It's like a little candy. It doesn't say it on the list. This is just like a little extra. They always give it. So yeah, a little sailboat. Super cute. The next thing, this looks like it's a home decor item. I love stuff like this, especially like where I live. But it says salty kisses and starfish wishes. It's just like a little thing. You can hang it up. There's a little thing on the back. You can hang it up somewhere in your home or just have it standing. I love this. This is perfect. Because I do have like a lot of like, I live in Florida, like this fits in well, but I feel like this could work like anywhere, and it's like color scheme is so cute, like even some people's like bathrooms and stuff. I don't know if you have like a cottage or you just love the coastal decor, this is perfect. So starfish wishes sign, instantly add joy to your side table or counter with this adorable seaside inspired sign. I love this. I'm totally gonna put this somewhere. I'm trying to think in my head like where I want it. I'm thinking somewhere downstairs so people can see it more often. Ooh, and then we have like a bath product here. This is by Sailor's Escape Relaxing Bath Salts. Oh my God, and it comes with like a little thing to scoop up the bath salts. So Sailor's Escape, that's so fitting with the theme too, right? So this is made with Epsom salts, baking soda, lavender petals, lavender essential oil. Ooh, it says use 2 to 4 tablespoons per bath. And I love that there's a resealable like bag this is contained in. So you don't have to make a mess, you can just keep it in here. So it says, Sailors Escape Bath Salts. Escape to a blissful mind state after a long day with these relaxing, all-natural lavender bath salts. Awesome. Oh, cool. There's one more thing in here. This is like another core thing, or what is this? This is so pretty. Like a whale? So I think you just put it laying down because there's like this stuff on the back. So let me read about this. So, okay, so this is a nautical whale trivet. Add a nautical touch to your kitchen counter with this durable cast iron whale trivet. Oh, so you like put your like stuffed pots on there after it comes out of the oven, I think. But this is so pretty. I love that blue color. It has some like weight to it. Yeah, it says it was made, or it's made with durable cast iron. How cute is this? I love this. I love getting like home decor type stuff. This is so cute, but this is super cool. I love the look of it, like that rustic look. Oh my God, this is awesome. So that was everything that came in the November box. I think this might be like one of my favorite ones. They stayed perfectly on theme. Again, the featured beach this month is Cape May, New Jersey, which I think is super cool. And then, okay, so we started off with this purse, which I think is really pretty and unique. And I like smaller purses like when I go out, so this would work well. And I like that it's a crossbody, and yeah, it's cute. I like that. And then we have our home decor sign that says Salty Kisses and Starfish Wishes. And you can just tell it's like really well made. I love the colors. And again, you can hang it up or just put it standing somewhere. And then this necklace, which again, you can leave it like long, or you could, probably what I would do is like drape it around so it's like layered like that. Super cute. And then for the bath product, we have the Sailor's Escape Relaxing Bath Salts, and I love lavender stuff. That sounds so relaxing and nice. We have our little treat, and then this beautiful whale trivet, this nautical whale trivet. I think this is so adorable. So yeah, that is everything that came inside the box. So I am going to link them down below, like I said, along with that discount code. Hopefully it saves you some money. It says a special discount. Again, I don't really know exactly what that means, but I think this is such a fun box. So yeah, I am so grateful you guys are here watching. Thank you so much. I hope you're having a good one, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.